Okay, so this video is just to tell you about a sound pack I made, so download it.
Full chef always comes through. My beat's so fire I melt everything inside. A traffic cone once challenged me to a fight. Why do I sound different, you may be asking? It's auto-tune, baby.
What am I, Mickey Mouse? Your name's really dumb, acting like a gangster, and you're also a PG and fanboy. Hey, Vin.
It's been long awaited. Don't question my skin. Dylan Sound Pack 5. I'm sure nobody's cared, but I care, and that's why I'm going to release it. It's got songs like
Hey.
the Sound Pack 3 song. It's got oh, I haven't even released it yet. Whoop. It's got 2 unreleased songs. Oh, that's released. It's on Spotify. Yeah, it's got 2 songs that aren't out yet. One of them's about to come out if it would stop getting delayed. So, yep, it's got sounds and shit, and it's the mix of all of them. So, some of it's real music, and some of it's my silly music, which silly. But yup, it's finally here. Find it on the download along with all the other ones. It even has some unreleased Ben the Gangster music, but it was released in his Discord server. So Ben, you suck. Stay rubber.